It's I-97 Funk Flex. Connecticut, Jersey, New York City, you see me, baby. Tornado, man, stay close to that button. I just need you to work the ball. Okay? New York City, I see everything moving, and I see everybody moving.
Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy, X Dark Man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm doing the intro for episode 81 of the Bodega Boys podcast, the most illustrious. And remember, when it rains, niggas get wet, stay dry. You know what I'm saying? My niggas coming through with that fuego. You know what I'm saying? Yo, listen, if I see you in the street and I need your car, I'm gonna tell you I'm an FBI agent. Just give up the fucking goods. Yeah, yo. Why, yo, what's good? Yo, I survived the crack, nigga. I'm immortal forever. X out. It's your boy. Do the motherfucking drop. You heard?
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yes, sir. 81. Who's a popular 81?
Who's a popular 81?
Randy Moss was at 81, right? He was 84?
No.
88. Damn, that's crazy. I don't remember his number. He was a very important football player.
Randy Moss?
He showed his cheeks, and Joe Buck got mad tight on the air. He was like, that was just disgusting. I could never. There's children here. How could you pretend to pull your pants down?
Joe Buck is a lot.
He is a lot. What flavors we got?
81 is not an important number in the sports world. You know what it's an important number at? In this fucking illustrious art, coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street. You know it is, Red Bull Studios. God bless you for having microphones, breaking us in, letting us make the illustrious art.
You know what I'm saying?
Hold on, let me take a sip of my Beck's.
Word. Let me crack this Red Bull.
Do that in honor of the Virgin Islands and the Caribbean and Puerto Rico and Dominica. What's up? It's your boy Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Face Stat, like Terrio, Chris Dapper, Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butchers Gully, Slow but that might know yo, bitch. Slow, Young Dirty Party, Young Hot Take.
Goddamn.
DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rando, 1990, Quattro, Nueva York, Milk Hill, going off the Juve Boss, MC Little Groupie, put up for 40, what's your shorty?
Swish.
AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you.
I don't know you. As a matter of fact, why don't you update your Uber app? I can't even tip you, dog.
Come on.
Like you was playing like Cardi B half the trip. I was gonna give you extra $5. My God, the original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son.
You're getting in, both.
Jesus Rostin, the Jamaican Jew, La Shava Tova.
Hey, happy 5778, my guy.
5778. You can come. Train avocados. Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakunuri without the coonery.
Yeah.
AK Chili Lerone, left hand reliever for the Yankees, Kalo K, Vice K, Makuzaka, Two Phone Jones, DZ Machina, Jay Chucku, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. I've slowed it down for that girl on Twitter that has the glasses, so I go too fast. Do you know the champion? Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blur. DJ Wola, aka listening to Washed FM. Coming up next, we have a 4-hour block of Arrested Development.
Oh, yeah.
Take me to another place. The Here We Go. Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain no, the human memory, word of job. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Henrik Budquist. Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki, Squabby, Greg Popovich, Greg Say to Chestnuts, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabi, but I got that cucumber. Yes, that cucumber, and I'm not talking about the vegetable.
No.
I'm being nasty. It's a sexual illusion. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. Never. I am the art, damn it.
Damn.
I die for this shit. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Casanova. William H. Cent. 5 cent. 10 cent. Dollar. Mr. Shopping at Street Easy with a bad reason like I'm easy. Please believe me. Forget the small change, give me big money wine. The Black Asiatic, crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh Miss Marina, Cold Marina, aka your problematic bae. I'm still supporting Mayweather.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Yo. Man, it's episode 81, dog.
81.
You know what I'm saying?
81.
This is a fucking Jerry Race episode. 81. I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? You know who it is, man. It's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, I jump the curb and hit your bitch, a.k.a. Jane St. Vac, I'll go shit on you, shorty.
That's a power reference.
And I will not leave a fingerprint behind. AKA, I know fucking baby, I fucking man. You see me in the Meros with the Bodega Boys turning the fuck up, my nigga. I got my hookah store in the Bronx, you know what I'm saying? Come through. I got the coldest hot and so am I, mommy. You know what I'm saying? Check the guest list again, you fucking worm. I'm getting in there, whether you like it or not. Whether I gotta send L's back to shoot this shit the fuck up. Burnside, what's popping? AKA, I'll climb my apple tree at massacres, a nigga, to impress my kids, because it's the fucking dad of the year. AKA, Ben Smack Biombo. AKA, Feel the Ass Tyson. Let me explore your cosmos, mind. AKA, Lionel Messi, MVP of La Mota. AKA, Tom Brazy, you're sure you got my balls type deflated. I'm finishing suspension, but I'm gonna remain positive. I'm a positive guy. MAGA. AKA the Dominican Dada. AKA Barlow Santana. I'm so smooth. AKA Dick in your payment tumble. This pussy belong to me now. It don't belong to you no more. You cannot come in here no more. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will utilize them to replace your frontal lobe with a copy of the best of Cameo. Word up. Now you taste just like candy. Yo, Candy, let me see them titties one time. AKA, I'll replace your cranial. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lionel Dutchy. Hello. Is it weird you're looking
We're still doing the AKs. You listen, we're doing all of them.
Eyes, that's right. Let your broken sing a vibe. AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga, because I'm the Zen man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Nino Brown. AKA the East Tree, my Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. Spring love. Bring me some weed. AKA the plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. And I might have sprinkled dust up in the blunt.
The Sweet Caroline.
You know what I'm saying? AKA I'm a 99 when I put my mellow on and eat 3 sticks, nigga. It's Bar Mellows Anthony. Fam, if you see me in Target trying to figure out how the fuck I utilize a strawberry huller, respect my agency, approach me like an earth sign mammal, nigga. I may react aggressively. Hasan, tíreme la pista, que lo que mi gente llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA, coño, de lo tuyo personal. El sicario más duro que la cara de tu madrina, mamagüevo. Más que, yo, muchos quieren que, espérate, suave un ching. Muchos me quieren buen merto, pero esa vara no me toca. Yo, todo en tu bloque con la coca y no es refresco, mamagüevo. Estate frío, tápate el pecho. You know what I'm saying? We here now, nigga, episode 81. I just said wild illegal shit in Dominican slang, nigga. Thankfully, you niggas can never understand the translator. Holla.
After he said all that rice and bean shit, I put on a MAGA hat. I'm about to go to a rally and build that fucking wall. I'm about to pull out 3 of my teeth to become a Trump supporter.
Niggas said build that wall, you just throw a tarp over the fence.
Build that wall! Get him out of here. Yeah, what's up? It's Bodega Boys in the building. Desus Mero, the hardest working people in the nation. Hardworking children of immigrants.
That's right.
We just came. Yo, get on your Netflix. Check out our new anime. Shout out to Ezra. Shout out to Jaden Smith. Shout out to Susan Sarandon. Every other fucking famous person you know in the whole entire world. We're in a popping anime starring black people called Neo Yokio.
Holla.
Listen, if we don't get the Emmy for the Desus Mero, excuse me. Also, we have Desus Mero on Vice and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, nothing but illustrious guests, no more shows like that. Number one. Don't forget it. All right. We're trying to get the dick flute solo out the way early.
So we could give you niggas some other dick flute solos. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm saying we're gonna shift positions. We're not just gonna give you this. We're not just give you this riding on top shit. We're gonna get lazy, ma. You can lay on your back and do the fidget spinner thing with your poom poom.
New
you know what I'm saying?
New positions. You know what I'm saying?
Rock the Boat was about sex.
It clearly was about sex.
A lot of people don't get that.
How you gonna have a song that says "work the middle" and niggas don't know this shit is about sex?
A lot of people thought Aaliyah was a big nautical enthusiast, and she was telling people how to like work a boat through a channel.
Work the middle
she
of the
She was
channel.
like, tie a knot, find the wind speed, find the wind speed. Rest in peace, Aaliyah.
She know all the flags and shit, like what meant SOS, what means like we need lunch.
Damn. We miss Aaliyah. What if she was still here? She still making something. If she was still here, still working with Timbaland, she'd be making such fire music.
Such fire music, and Drake would be all in her shit, bro. She'd be like, yo, can I be on your song? Can I be on your song? He loves Aaliyah. Yo, by the way, I just want to say real quick, you know what I'm saying?
Plug. Shout out to the sponsor.
Yo, fucking.
Shout to the sponsor.
I came in, you see, and I was a little bit upset that there was no orange Red Bull left, so I tried the red shit that says cranberry. Nigga, yo, shout out to my Dominicans. This shit tastes like Country Club, B.
Hey.
Like the red Country Club shit, B.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? Except it has taurine, which I think is bull semen, but fuck it.
Nah, they take it's right from the bull's balls. Put it right in.
Yeah.
That's right. Listen.
It's straight hormones?
Listen, there's like different energy drinks drinks out there. You could be like Monster. You want to be a Monster? Or you want to be a Red Bull?
Monster, yeah.
You want to have enough stamina.
You know what I'm saying? Red Bull just dodging niggas in the ring and shit.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta think about when you drink an energy drink.
Ass.
You gotta think about like you walking into like a barn full of like, sexy cows. You don't walk in like a Monster. You want to walk in like a Red Bull. You want to have the cow like, ooh.
No.
She puts her hoof to her mouth like,
Look at him. Look at him. Oh my God. Isn't VIP?
No.
That's right. He just starts jumping over the ladder onto you. You're like, oh shit, that was good.
People don't know about Jamaican cow sex porn. It's big out there.
Big, huge.
It's big, huge. I saw you 1080 in 4K. Put it on top of your tank.
Yo, damn. Imagine watching animal porn in fucking 4K.
You could get, I thought you meant in DR or some shit. You can get away with it down there. No one can. They got other issues.
Nigga, this pig's fucking in the pen. You just walk outside and be like, oh, this pig's fucking in the pen. Yo,
that's true. You can just jerk off to that. Yo, shout out to Virgin Islands. Shout out to the Caribbean.
Shout out to
Dominica. Puerto Rico. Everything is a lot. Yo, shout out to Americans for not realizing that Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands are part of America.
Yeah, like
everyone's like, yo, I hope those Puerto Ricans is okay.
Like, fam,
like, no.
That's Florida Junior. Like, you niggas need to hold them down.
Yeah, they said not gonna have power for like 4 months, but conspiracy theory Desus, because there's like a guy trying to take over the power grid down there, and after a hurricane, like the power grid's gonna go down regardless.
Yeah, of course,
how did they know it's gonna be 4 months? What's going on? And they say he's in bed with Donald Trump. It's just something I read on Twitter. I didn't look it up. I ain't verify it because why? Facts don't matter. I walk in the barbershop. I say it with my gut.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? I say that Scottie Pippen did not play at his full potential because Jordan gave him money to fall back because he had bet money on like his stats.
That's right.
I can say that in the barbershop. Does it make any sense? No. But if I say it loud like this and I clap my hands like that as the nigga clapping my hand.
Let me tell y'all something. Every time Mike had the opportunity to have a triple-double and he was like 2 or 3 assists away, he would go to the scorer's table and say, how many rebounds do I need? How many assists do I need for this triple-double? And they would say, Mike, you need 2 assists and you need 2 more rebounds and you got a triple-double. And what does he do? He passes shit out to Steve Kerr. Yo, go shoot that 3, my nigga, give me my assist. He passes somebody else, get his assist. Then what does he do? Start fucking chucking. Because he's a selfish player. And he's not the GOAT.
I love you, Mike, though. Send me some Jordans.
Yeah, send niggas Jordans, though.
Now, shout out to Nicole and Nike.
Shout out to Nicole, holding niggas down.
Be holding niggas down.
All day.
My man Rico, sending the Nikes. Send some more fire ones. Shout out to Virgil.
Oh, yeah, they didn't hit us off.
I got mad excited. I went home. I seen a package. I was like, yo, my man Virgil hit me with the off-white. I thought it was going to have on the little quotation mark on the end to say Desus on the hill. Nope.
Nah.
It was a pair of sneakers from shout out to Dope Sport.
Shout out to Dope Sport. Shout out to Dope Sport.
Dope Sport. Google that. It's a real sneaker company. I mean, it's freaking good. Listen, out here. Different levels to this shit.
You know what I mean? I remember when we used a fucking previous employer and niggas used to give shit away when nobody wanted it, and they had the Macbeth.
The Macbeth sneakers. I remember. Sneakers cleared for television that you could wear without violating any labels. And didn't have to get cleared by Lego.
Dog, I thought Beavis and Butthead shoes were not a real thing. They were just a cartoon, but those were Beavis and Butthead shoes. They were the exact same shoe.
They were the sneakers you get if like you have a kid and you're not sure of the paternity of the kid. And you're like, fuck this. I fuck with you, little nigga, but not like that. Until we go on Maury, come on. I'm not spending $130 on you, little
Alas, poor Yorick.
Go get bullied.
Go get bullies.
They come home with a black eye shit. He's like, Daddy, they're beating me up. I'm like, you know why? Look at your sneakers, boy.
Fucking Macbeth.
Boy, you better get a job, buy some new sneakers. That's why they keep giving you wedgies.
Damn, it's just fucking delicious.
Oh, listen to Mero drinking that cranberry. I don't drink the cranberry Red Bull. I mean, cranberry Red Bull is delicious, but as a Jamaican, it looks too much like menstruation. I can't go down there.
It's a very light day.
It's a light day. I'm spotting. It's the end of my.
Yo, if you spot, I'm rolling the dice. I don't give a fuck.
You know what? Shout out to all my niggas that don't give a fuck.
Yeah, man. Throw a towel
Shout out to
down.
Don't Give a Fuck gang.
You know what I'm saying?
You like, she be like, I'm up. You like, shut up.
Nah, I don't respect traffic
Come on,
laws.
you know what it is.
Come on.
Ma took the train all the way over here.
Nah, throw the tarp down.
You know what it is? You know what it is?
I got the Yankees grounds crew come through, throw the tarp over the bed.
I'm like, yo, Ma, throw a dope out here. Ain't no rain delay. We going.
We're going in.
We're going in. It's like those baseball games where it's like they obviously should stop the game and the fucking rain is like dripping from the
niggas' hats and shit.
You can't even see straight. But you know, you focus in. You see it right there. Like you get your CC's back to y'all. You lock into that strike zone.
Lock in, dog.
You might not have enough, but you know what? You get out the 6th inning. You got runners on 1st and 3rd, 2 outs.
That's right.
But you know what?
CC gets out of a jam. Wow,
how did he do that?
Oh, masterful pitching.
You know?
Shout out to
Afterwards,
God, you know what I'm saying?
you in the bathroom about to wash your dick off. You look down, you're like, damn, a dude look like I murdered somebody. It's like a fresh ice pick. Like,
Shout out to foreskin gang that be like, you know what I'm saying? You hop in the shower after that nigga, you pull your foreskin back, you're like, oh shit. I was like, oh, wait. Okay. That's not me. That's not me.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
I'm good.
That shit is like a fucking, like a dick spit out a fucking shot of fucking Alizé.
That dick look like fucking Carrie, nigga. The fucking
You can look at the fucking drain. It looks like an Alfred Hitchcock movie. Like you just hear the fucking psycho music. Yeah. No, ladies, if guys willing
heavy
to dick you.
menstruation talk too. There too. Episodes in a row.
Oh, that's right. Because we have period dicks, a very poppin'
You know what I mean?
podcast. Y'all fucking listen. All our podcasts are childish and juvenile. We talk about menstruation, dicks.
You know what I'm
we talk about it balances out.
Yeah, it's body positive though.
It's the bell curve, not
true.
the bell hooks curve.
No.
Who's no longer a friend of the family. She went against Beyonce. She called Beyonce a terrorist. I will never forgive her for that.
Wow. How you call Beyonce a terrorist?
I was about to be an ally to feminists, and because of that, now I am not. I am a Methodist. You lost an ally.
A Methodist? You gotta go like have a stupid mustache that curls up and some stupid
I'm
shit
working
like
on
that.
it.
Get a mad big ass pickup truck with
It's
mad
like
big
everyone that
wheels.
was in Jamel Hill's mentions, like, I was an ally, but you just lost me. I'm not watching the 6 anymore.
All right, go.
Yeah, you are.
Go ahead, fucking
Yeah, you
worm.
are. 90% of people who watch ESPN hate watch it.
Yeah, of course.
Because it's not about race, it's not about politics, it's not about her being a woman. It's people who watch ESPN automatically feel like they could do a better job than everyone on ESPN.
Bro.
Everyone watching Bomani is like,
I can do this. I can do this.
I can do this.
This guy doesn't even know anything about the SEC. I could definitely do this. This guy sucks. He brings race into everything.
Pablo Torres.
Come on. What is he?
I'm
What
going
are
to
you?
a Mexican about
Come
football.
on. What are you, a Mexican Asian guy? What is going on with this guy? This guy sucks. I don't like these guys. They're pretty boring.
And my favorite thing about Pablo is after Pablo talks, and after the show, like he talks on like a high level, they're like, who's he putting on for? Who's putting these big words in the transcript for him?
Like, come on, fam.
He's kind of
The nigga's smart.
smart.
That's what it is.
Shout out to ESPN gang. Not the people at ESPN that was like, dude, Jamel.
Apologizing, dude. But yo, shout out to Jamel Hush, shout out to Michael Smith, Pablo Torre, Bomani Jones.
We got a new show coming on, the Ocho.
You know what I mean?
We're gonna have Sports Center 1 through 5.
Yep.
Just 5 hours of us. We're not doing no popping sports. We're doing like curling.
Yep.
What's a popping Dominican? Oh, we're gonna have a tournament for old Dominican niggas that play dominoes in front of buildings and shit. It's like a Final Four
Beautiful.
shit. Like,
yo, mad sponsored by Brugal and
it's
shit.
gonna be like, yo, Poppy, yo, Dykeman versus Idawar versus East Tremont. Like, yo, niggas coming with the custom dominoes and shit.
Shit with the block and shit. It just ends up being a gang
I'm
beef.
like, listen, Poppy has not lost 4 seasons straight.
Poppy, you know.
Poppy, what do you think? What do you attribute to your domino dominance?
Well, you know, Papi, what happened is when I grew up in Dominican Republic, sometimes I don't have any lights to play dominoes. So I play dominoes in the dark, Papi. That's how I learned how to play with no lights on. So now niggas can't fuck with me at all. You know what I'm saying? I'm that nigga. Y'all know that.
Okay. Now, there's been some rumors. It breaks my heart to break this up.
Yeah. Come on, I know what you're gonna. Let's just say it, Papi. I know you're about to say my nigga because it's gonna get me tight. I told you I'm 22 years old.
No.
Oh, not
it's
that?
the other
Not
rumor.
that? Okay. Oh, okay.
I was told you're black.
Papi, you know I'm black because my niggas out here in the street, man, they're holding me down. But you know I like to eat plátanos and shit like that.
Oh, so you refuse to say on record that you were black?
No, yes.
The mics are going.
Yes.
Okay, you're black.
Yes.
Could you repeat it, or are you just gonna continue?
Yes, I'm black. It goes back to the other, like, yo, my nigga, what the fuck?
What the fuck? You lose all his sponsorships? Brugal's like, no.
Revoke the sponsorship. It's just a scandal.
Go talk to Remy, nigga.
Go fuck with Hennessy, my huevo. Yo.
Shout out to that's our new R&B group called Anti-Blackness.
Yo, I want to give a sincere.
Here we go.
Turn it around to all you old retrograde Dominican niggas. That I mean, to be fair, they're dying out, bro. The alcoholics, the fucking diabetics are all dying out. Stop the bullshit, man. Because my generation, we bang with each other. You know what I'm saying?
They don't.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, I do. All my niggas do. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that I fuck with, all my squads around me, my cousins, everybody. that I come into contact with, like even tangentially, is on that wave. You know what I'm saying? Because niggas out here, we woke now. Niggas got social media and shit.
I mean, that's your crew. I basically base my crew off of Rough Riders Volume 1. All my niggas with the big dicks.
What?
Niggas is really in the club.
You know what you
fam,
fam. You know what's the most conflicting thing about that song is that the hook is crazy. You can't just drive around listening to that with 6 niggas in the car. But Big Pun's verse on that shit was fucking fire, my nigga. Like, he bodied that shit. He's like...
Pina Colada, for those of y'all don't know what we're talking about.
It's on Rough Riders Volume 1, Pina Colada. It's a great song. Chic got a dope verse on it, and Big Pun absolutely murders it. I feel like we should just listen to the Pun verse for the culture.
No, we can't clear it. We got in several...
Complaints
from the RIAA. This is gonna fuck us up.
Like, fuck out of it, nigga. Suck my dick.
They was like, yo, are we really doing this? You want to hear Pina Colada?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Mama. All right.
Where my niggas with the big dick? Where my niggas with the hot wig?
Hold up. Like, somebody was in a studio session and she got in the booth and was like, yo, this is the hook I'm singing.
This is the hook I'm singing.
Like, I was like, as soon as she was like, where my niggas with the... I was like, stop.
Yo.
Press that button to buzz it. Like, yo, are you serious?
What my niggas with the what you said?
People are paying money for this studio time. If you're not going to take this seriously, please exit the booth.
Did you say clips?
She said dicks. She said big dicks.
Nah, ma. Nah. Yo, turn her levels down. Turn her levels down.
Come here. Give me the microphone.
Come here. Give me the fucking mic.
Get out the booth.
Get out of here.
Get out of here. I think she farted in here.
Yo, get out of here. Yo, bring Vita in here, man.
Yo, get out of here. Vita. You know what? There was a lot of question. It's not questionable. It's just... It's not questionable because it could be seen as gay, but it's just questionable as, like, it was not a good look.
Yeah, it was just
a lot of just hooks and shit. He was just like, yo, what was the...
It's not even about, like, sexuality. It's just about, like, yo, these songs are going to be played on the air.
In the air, like, yo.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
think back in, like, what was it? In, like, the 90s or early 2000s, people made songs for, like, listening in your headphones on the train.
Yeah.
So like, you didn't have to...
You didn't have to share that with the world.
Did no one in, like, the early 2000s have cars to blast shit out the window?
No. I mean, I guess they did, but they didn't blast this. I never heard... I mean, honestly, I'm gonna keep it funky. I've heard this blasted down Tremont several times.
I didn't see my first car. Growing up in the Bronx, I did not see my first car until 2013. It was on a school trip. I was like, teacher, what's that? They was like, look away. Look away, you're poor.
Yo, shout out to the dude in the yellow Lexus that used to be all up and down Tremont. That's a very extremely deep cut. But if you're that guy, holler at us on Twitter.
What if he got that money from selling fentanyl to people? You ever thought about that?
I mean,
you ever thought about normalizing the evil in the community?
I mean,
that's what we do.
Yo, nigga, get it how you live. You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
that's really all I got to say about that. I mean, listen. If you're in a situation where you got to sell fentanyl, something's up. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you know, something's going on. Your GED class didn't go so great. Like, something's bad is happening. So,
as a proud member of the West Side Gentlemen's Gang, you know what it is. If niggas gotta sell fentanyl, you know, don't sell fentanyl. The fuck? What the fuck? Listen, we've said many things on this podcast. If it all goes down, I would just like to say for the record, I've never been pro fentanyl. You're not gonna see fentanyl be a sponsor on here.
Can I give
use
you
B12? It gets listen.
B12 is pretty lit.
It makes you warm.
Yeah, it does. Can I give a very 1% statement right now?
Ooh.
I don't even give a fuck if fentanyl goes bananas, because fentanyl goes bananas in, like, Vermont, in Maine. You know what I'm saying?
That's not correct. But that line you just said, I don't give a fuck about fentanyl. Like, nigga, that's a song right there, nigga. I don't give a fuck about
I'm trying to go to Vermont and get a fucking cabin for the low. What's taking over Vermont? Dope? Oxycontins? What's the epidemic out there?
Yo, my nigga. Let me make you Claro or something.
Yeah.
We have a Netflix series. We have a nightly show on Viceland. Why are you talking about going OT to sell drugs? Right? We are good.
All the niggas can do that. We don't gotta do that.
And the sad part is you just said that, and all the hair on the back of my neck stood up, and I was like, oh yeah, we back in business, baby. Wait till we come to your small town.
Chill now, nigga. Listen, I got shit all mapped out. I got the rental. I got the Chrysler Pacifica niggas, man.
Look
Low key.
to the belly shit. We gonna have it in the front bumper. I'll be like on the phone, putting mustard, all the shit with petroleum jelly.
You know what I'm saying?
Wait till y'all crackhead Oski buys drugs from us. I'll be like, your number one show at late night. Yo, keep it moving.
Yo, I'ma sell it to anybody in your damn family.
They gonna be like, yo, Lexi Gottlieb. I'll be like, yeah, Neil Yokio, yeah. All right, over there.
Let's go. Copy go.
What's our gentleman club?
Crazy boys, nigga, you already over there.
Shout the cast. Let's go. Boom. It's be like,
Yeah.
they're gonna be like, if anyone knows these people, and they're gonna have our faces on the news in some small town in Vermont or some shit as like wanted drug dealers, and then like right after the commercial break is gonna be an ad for all our shows. I think they'll be sitting there like
I'm glad y'all can't put together.
But because Vermont has so many beautiful white liberals, they're gonna be like, maybe they just look alike. I don't want to be that guy. That's racist. I don't understand. I don't say that.
I want to go to Japan. I've never been to Japan. Have you been to Japan?
Ichiban. I've never been to Japan.
Really?
I've been to Chinatown.
Okay.
Is that the same?
I mean, like, I don't think they got bootlegs of Smack DVDs.
Is Japan just people spitting into the street, fish guts, and McDonald's that has a mad small
It's mad. From what I've seen in videos, you know
that's right.
It's like mad weirdly pristine.
Mero is just letting you guys know. Desus and Mero is going to be broadcasting live from Japan for a week.
Ichiban #1.
If you are listening to this, you work in programming advice, and you're like, what the fuck are they talking about? Guess what? We put it into
that's right.
We
put y'all under pressure. Make it happen.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? You know who the fucking LeBron is of the shit.
Nigga. You want that? You see us? Did we have Sean Spicer? You saw Sean Spicer came out at the Emmys. Everyone was tussling his hair.
Yeah. Who didn't?
Let me tell you something.
Who flamed him?
Let me make everyone fucking clear.
That's right.
There's one late night show that has been against Donald Trump from day one.
We with y'all.
All right?
We for the people.
Y'all talk about the resistance. We are the resistance.
That's right. Motherfucker, daily on a daily basis. You got niggas complaining, oh, you niggas talk about Trump every night. You know why? Because you're trying to get the nigga out the fucking paint.
You know what I'm saying? Also, once Donald Trump gets impeached, niggas, you know how good we gonna look in this Ken Burns documentary?
Man.
Nigga.
Niggas gonna have us in black and white and shit, nigga. Like
the slow motion, like, Ken Burns effect.
Yo, they got mad like us in the studio, like looking at papers, like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, this is important information we're talking about. And it basically says, like, Rhino's fucking. Like, 72.5.
While the rest of the liberal media decided to tussle Donald Trump's locks, young Chipotle and the Champagne Supernova continued the resistance against Trumpito. It's just us. We got the high trousers and shit. Shit's in black and white.
He got suits on.
I got like the wild suspenders. I'm pointing at some shit. Victor's over there like, yo, he got the wild typewriter.
Yo.
Well, I can't wait.
With the wild fucking tortoiseshell glasses and shit.
Shout out to Trump, though. You stupid ass. You know what I'm saying? Listen. Because Donald Trump clearly listens to us. He stole Facts Don't Matter from us.
Yeah.
He stole the cuck shit.
Come on.
I'm pretty sure we said Rocket Man at some point.
Yes, of course.
His dumb ass was talking all brazy on the phone to Paul Manafort. Now, when a nigga gets locked up, you can't talk to him on the phone. He's hot. Bro. You know the feds got his phone tapped. Like, the feds have Paul Manafort's phone tapped because he was like doing wild shit and starting wars in the Ukraine and upsetting democracy and shit. So now they possibly have Donald Trump talking on the hotline some wire shit to Paul Manafort.
You cooked, my nigga.
Yo, I can't wait for that. Like Mueller's gonna play that shit out loud. It's gonna be like Trump, like, yo.
Think about this.
My nigga Paul, you got them t-shirts?
Paul, yo, it's goody. I need 20 t-shirts, my nigga. I'm going to fucking.
Yo, I need 20 t-shirts in the presidency. I need 20 t-shirts in the presidency. What's good? Yo, my man. Yeah, I know the phone might be tapped, so I'm gonna talk in code. My man. Yeah. Vladimir Putin is in town. You know what I'm saying?
He's in the building.
Yo,
listen to me. I got a mouse. I'm trying to go to Twilight tonight and get that shit off. It was really good.
Yo. Let him know. Yo, call Hasan. Is he at Locksmith tonight? Let him know I'm coming through with Russian hose. Tell him keep the vodka on ice decky.
You know what I'm saying?
Tell him I want to hear it. It's a vibe.
Yo.
I want to hear that. What is it? 2 Chainz? It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Yeah. Putin, you good? You want some blow? Let's go.
Yo, fuck.
I just want to see like Donald Trump like mad stressed in a courtroom while they're playing his shit. He's just like making his faces and shit. Like,
fam, the part 2 of this shit is like Trump gets Russia to help him out of this jam, and they somehow help him out of this jam, and now the shit is just like even more exaggerated. That's a movie. Well, then it really ends in like nuclear war.
His son removed Secret Service detail.
Yep.
He might run off. Whacked. He might run off to Russia like Edward Snowden. So would Donald Trump let his kid get arrested and killed for treason?
But let me tell you how stupid these niggas are. He would run away to Russia to like Edward Snowden. But he would fucking be on Twitter on like fucking like the mall Wi-Fi, like tweeting all types of reckless shit, like yo,
yeah,
and, like,
I'm away out of you, bye suckers. Yo, my plane out of America leaves in 3 hours.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck y'all.
Yo, enjoying Five Guys at DC airport. Y'all not gonna catch me.
Nigga lands in Russia. He's at the Russian Cinnabon taking pictures and shit. Like fuck out of here, nigga. Fucking idiot.
No, a lot of niggas gonna go down. Shit coming. Season 2 of America is gonna be lit,
It's gonna be lit, bro. It's
America
it's gonna be the red wedding of fucking politicians.
It really is.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas going
Season
down.
2 of America with 3 Ks. The way your woke uncle spells it in his letters home from jail.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? When
These
he's
crackers
like,
put me in here.
he's like, yo, I'm political prisoner. I'm like, no, you stole the fake phone from the T-Mobile store, uncle.
Come on, man.
What were you thinking?
How did you manage
That's why
to get 10 years for
That's
that?
why I wasn't locked. That's why I wasn't locked down. Your kid can't see you for your birthday. What were you?
Come on, man.
Not saying you know thermals, nigga.
It's not a real phone, dog. It don't even work, nigga. It's plastic, bro.
Texting this nigga on the hot. Shout out to everyone that could text their loved ones on what do you call it?
They should have texting in jail, bro. They should allow smartphones in jail. No bullshit.
Because jail is not supposed to be comfortable. Jail is supposed to be mean.
Yeah,
That's the American version of jail. It's not about rehabilitation. It's about punishment.
It's like, yo, punish you until you get more angry and commit another crime. Like, yo, it's so stupid, bro. Like, put niggas on timeout, but let them have a little bit of amenities, nigga.
What about...
Or how about don't put niggas on timeout and just fucking figure something else out?
What if... Was that Minority Report where people got frozen for their sentence?
Oh. Shit, yeah, but like they never aged. It was just like frozen in time, and then they came back.
I think you age,
a little
but
bit?
you just
Okay.
when you wake up, you just like that time is gone.
Okay,
but you don't learn anything. You just
that's the whack shit. At least in jail, you could kind of learn. I mean, everything is like delayed, but you can at least learn something.
Damn,
you get the law library like Papoose.
That's dark.
You know what I'm saying?
What we should do, we should put. No, damn, I don't want to even put this in the universe because Trump would definitely make this happen. But if we make inmates run on treadmills, they could power the electricity for America. It's
they
bad.
Could.
I'm sorry.
That's definitely like that is 2017 slave labor, dog. Like to the fullest extent.
Like, let's go. 4 more laps.
Yo,
we have a brown at LA. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, is that our startup?
Niggas is running.
We're looking for angel investors.
I'm like, okay, so we're trying to
Con Ed.
And there goes the title for the show. Oh my God, yes. There's an app. You can order more. It's like, yo, are you? Oh, is there a surge?
Come on.
Open C74. We need niggas got air conditioners on the co-op shitty.
Yo, there's a brown now. It's just man, fucking Spanish niggas running on the thing like, yo.
You got fucking wobbles.
Come
like,
on, man.
Niggas sweating and shit.
Yo, niggas just fall down, get scooped up by the treadmill.
You got mad murderers running the waste traders and shit. Like, yo, let's go.
The plastic bag suits.
It's 99 degrees in San Francisco. Come on, we need more energy.
AC. Let's go.
Instead of CO,
niggas got AC. Niggas got the screen with like the sky and like mad music and shit. It's just like Soul Cycle.
No. That's sleep. While we mock that, that's basically what they do right now in prison. Like they have people doing shit and they get paid like pennies on the dollar.
Literally like fucking 6 cents a day type shit. Like
that shit is
crazy. And that, I mean, does that go to the commissary? I don't know what it is in the feds.
It goes to the commissary. You can send it home.
Like, come on,
because you know. Listen, there's nothing worse than being in jail and like you ain't getting no money on your books, no one's sending you nothing, and then nigga next to you is eating, nigga cashing out the commissary.
Fam, you making 42 cents a week. Yo, like what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? That's just crazy.
Shout out to my man E. He was upstate. He had mad soups. What do you got? All the candy bars.
Yo, shout out to everybody that has a loved one that's locked up and keeps their books right. That is very important when you're incarcerated to be.
Or when you're out here hustling, put some money aside. So that when you're locked up, someone can send that money to you.
Yeah,
all right?
They don't got to come out of pocket. All
you know
they got to do is take a 6-hour
Save
bus
your money
ride.
for lawyers. It's like Jay-Z said, you know what's more important than... Wait,
yo, listen.
What's important more than spending money in strip clubs? Solid state hard drives.
That's right.
Yeah.
I love solid state hard drives. I have no idea what they are or what they do, but it's my favorite thing about computers.
Yo, shout out to all the white people around me at the Meadows when Jay-Z did Song of OJ. I don't know if because y'all see me there or what, but when he did the hook, they just politely nodded.
Yeah.
I actually went around and gave them fist bumps. So I was like, yo, good looking out.
Yeah,
yo.
thank you for
good
that.
Good looking out, my niggas.
They should roll up.
Good night, niggas.
Still nigga.
They was like, damn, Jesus here. I want to end up on the number one show late night.
Yo. Oh, shit. Shout out to OJ for getting fucking...
OJ for what?
Catching it in that song.
Oh yeah, does he even know about it?
He probably don't even know about it, man. That nigga's in jail forever.
He listen to like Patsy Cline and shit.
That's so crazy that he fucking skated on that. I mean, when this is what I want to know about OJ. Like the real OJ story to me is not how he murked Shorty and nothing like that. The real OJ story to me is when you beat that body. What was that week like after that? How crazy were you partying? You must have been sniffing Maye, getting wild triple toppy, like at the Bellagio, wilding. You beat a body? You know how niggas in the hood do when they beat a body? They be at Aces and shit, like popping mad bottles for scamming.
Okay, but I mean that was also his ex-wife. You know what I mean? Like he kind of probably
had
felt
a little mourning
some way,
process.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
He
I
also
guess.
probably was like, "Damn, I killed her."
Yeah. I mean, I can't even process that though. Like
he didn't beat the body. He beat the body, but I mean, allegedly, you know.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm gonna tell a secret. Every black person knows OJ killed him. Like, let's keep it funky.
I mean, yeah, but like he scared her on the body, so it's like a win.
But see, that's the though. You can't. That's not how.
It's like, yo, human life. Yeah, I know.
It shouldn't be like that because then it's just like, yo, when a cop murders a black person and they get off, it's like, yo, we're outraged. But it's like, yo, OJ beat the body. Now we're dancing in the street. Like, nah, you know what I'm saying?
That's true. Did he kill? He killed the shorty.
He killed both of them.
He killed. Oh yeah, Ron Goldman.
Remember, Chris Rock had a whole joke about this shit.
Well, yeah, I remember that.
Like,
shit,
he's driving around with her. He's driving around with her in the car. Like, I'm not condoning it, but I understand. It was hilarious. But a lot of that Chris Rock shit did not age well.
Yeah, no. The niggas versus niggas shit. Like
niggas versus black people.
Oh man, that's wild respectability politics. Right
It
there.
is. I mean, it was. Listen, we wasn't as woke back then.
Yeah.
A lot of shit that used to.
I mean,
to rock
honestly,
with.
when that shit first dropped, I laughed because like you like the cult, everything is different. That as time progresses or whatever, but. You know, niggas got to just try to push the culture forward, my guys.
You got to think about it. Because back in the day, In Living Color would not be allowed to cook.
Oh, hell no. Nigga, Men on Film?
Nigga, you wildin'.
You know what I'm saying? They wouldn't let that shit rock at all nowadays.
Nope. So, you know, enjoy it while you had it, and let's keep moving.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So
I need an intervention. I have too many sneakers, and I keep buying sneakers, and it's a problem.
So just stop. Do what 12 said. Give a couple away. Give them to niggas in the hood.
No.
The ones that you have worn already a couple times, give them away.
No.
Why not?
I have to keep them all.
But just catalog them.
Like what?
Like catalog them in flicks.
No, I need them to be around me at all times. Like I need to like. There used to be a lady that used to go to Yankee Stadium and she would bring 5 Cabbage Patch Kids and she'd put them in all the seats.
And she would buy seats.
She'd buy seats for the Cabbage Patch Kids.
Fuck out
That's
of here,
me,
bro.
That's me.
Nah,
okay?
Dude, you can't do that.
So I'm gonna end up on the.
So now you got to move to Jersey.
Why?
Because there's no way you can. Like, if you're gonna keep doing this, you're gonna need a fucking Seinfeld triple car garage for your sneakers, my guy.
Listen,
and there's no way you're getting that in New York unless you got like Russian oligarch money.
Listen, I'll tell you something right now. I believe in myself.
Look at you know what time it is? I forgot what fucking episode I was at. I was absolutely out of my fucking mind, and I was pulling for 40, bugging the fuck out. Maybe it was a pulling for 40 episode, and I said it. The brand is fucking strong, and it's only getting stronger. You niggas know what it is, bro. You niggas know what it is, man. Come on. You're fucking agitated, man. For you niggas that don't believe in the brand still at this point in time, are you crazy? We got animes, nigga. We got late night shows. We got live shows, nigga. We got merch selling out like fucking Yeezy season. Are you stupid?
Talk that shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Talk that.
Fuck out
Talk
of here.
that shit.
You know what I mean? Got motherfucking catchphrases. You nigga put that shit on t-shirt, nigga selling $1 million. Fuck out of here.
Shout out to all our haters that now follow us and shit. Yeah, how you feel now?
How you feel now?
Stupid.
Oh, you finally turned the corner, nigga. You finally saw the light.
All right, push up them old tweets. Don't make us expose you. You know what I'm saying?
Mama huevo, coño.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'm going to HR. I feel that was not necessary. That was
Shout out to all the HR departments that got to deal with that type of shit on a daily basis.
Shout out to all the HR departments that got people reporting people for listening to Desus versus Mero and Desus and Mero and Bodega Boys.
Y'all clowns.
You know what's funny? Because it's like people were just enjoying their day, listen to the podcast, and accidentally, maybe the headphones come out your computer, and all of a sudden now people are playing Bodega Boys out loud, and all your coworkers hearing foreskin, and you're like, oh shit,
big black Asiatic dicks, like
yo,
oh shit, whoa,
period
whoa.
dicks,
yo,
dicks for tampon for dicks would be so cute. You're like, oh, sorry,
my bad, sorry, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
And your coworker looks at you, and there's only 2 possible things they could say. They look at you and say, I'm going to HR. They go, gang, gang.
You gang? Yeah, nigga, shout out to the Hive.
I didn't know you were doing Hive.
Shout out to the Hive worldwide.
Now you make a friend for life.
Shout out to the UK Hive. Talking to the American Hive about the man's not hot and explaining it to each other. It was a beautiful, like, across the pond moment.
Listen, I want to do Bodega Boys for so fucking long. I want to be like, you know how the Grateful Dead had to have niggas following them on tour buses. And they got like the fucking bears.
They got the deadheads following them on tour.
The Bodega heads. Yeah.
Let's go.
When you people are gonna like snuggle in your kids, like, yo, mom and dad are going on tour. Bodega Boys are hosting in San Fran.
You're staying with Uncle Joe.
Everyone got like beaded Pele and shit.
Oh, beautiful. Can't wait.
Yeah.
They do Cardi B cosplay.
Oh. It's gonna be lit. We're gonna have a 5-hour concert and 4 hours are gonna be AKs. I'm gonna have to have like oxygen on stage.
Yo, are any of the Grateful Dead members alive?
All of them.
Ironic.
I don't know.
I know Jerry Garcia's dead.
Yeah, he gave us ice cream.
Yeah, shout to him, yo. I respect you for that, for real. Even more than the music.
I can't eat ice cream, but
I do. I can't, but I do. I punish myself. I don't care because Ben and Jerry's is so delicious.
Damn, they've had a lot of members.
Yeah, because they rotate, man. Them niggas die and like come in and out and shit.
Shout to see, like white people support music forever.
Yo, do you think that we could say that we're in the Grateful Dead? That we were in the Grateful Dead, or we toured with them and get away with it?
Probably not.
No,
We're probably the brown.
damn.
We're the wrong color. Like,
Fuck.
if we were emojis, we stand out right away. Like,
Nah, y'all niggas.
No, but white people keep shit going. Like Rolling Stones, still something out
Fam.
here. Grateful Dead.
Dog, and them niggas do drugs and tour and wild out until they're like 112. How?
Meanwhile, hip hop is like, nigga, you 30, you go die.
Yeah.
Go die, you old ass nigga.
And then they do. And they died like 35 from diabetes and shit like that. Like, yo, fuck, bro. Yo, when 5 died, I was mad sad because I thought that nigga was like 39.5 years old. And I was like, but regardless, he was like, what was he, 43? 44?
Well, that's your mistake because you forgot that everything is finite.
Everything is finite.
Everyone dies.
Yeah.
Everything.
Prodigy, dog, gone, 42.
Well, the problem is people have expectations about keeping people alive forever, and if you release that expectation and realize no one is here forever, so you have to enjoy everyone.
I mean, I understand
when you have
that.
them.
Yeah.
As I told Kevin Hart, listen, you can't put all your eggs in one basket.
No, that's true.
You know, get all the samples, get all the flavors.
You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead. Do your thing. Ah, you fucking. That was you.
It was me.
You did it.
I got that relationship book coming out there. Yeah, I said, ladies, you don't want to see your man reading this.
No. It's like Think Like a Man, but like the bizarre
No, the
version.
name of the title is I'm going to do what I want.
I said what? And the back it says, I said what I said. That's the pull quote.
It should be with our photo, like, uh-huh.
You open the shit, it says,
That's just
Like
the
a
whole
fucking
chapter.
card.
I just got mad, like, incorrect theories and shit. I'd be like,
Yo.
do you ever notice that penguins are not monogamous? What if a penguin is not monogamous and they're black with a white circle, why would you expect a black man to be monogamous?
That's right.
Monogamy did not exist in Africa.
Did it?
All right? Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a giraffe with a long-term lover?
Huh?
No?
Never in your life.
You haven't. In the Serengeti, the Ushbala tribe allowed men to have as many wives as they could provide for.
That's right. That's when you go home, you Google Unshbala Tribe, and it's like a fucking rap group from Iowa.
Ushbala tribe.
It's like fucking white dudes with like
the
fucking...
Samoans and shit. This mad Twitter threads like, this is why Jesus' relationship book, I do what I want, is problematic and toxic.
It's toxic.
A thread. 1 of 36. I'm like, oh.
Mad think pieces taken from everyone.
I got that fucking text from Tyrese. He's like, yo, peace and blessings, brother.
Yo.
The community needed this.
Yeah, word. Jimmy hits you up like, yo, my nigga, my bad, but I had to flame you.
I said like mad copies of her.
Yeah.
Like enough copies to like fuck up her living room and shit. She's like, stop sending me these books.
Stop. This shit is wild, terrible.
Also, the book is very thick because I'm using a big font.
You already know.
Yeah, I'm using a lot of just, like stupid phrase. I'm like, yo, if you don't, ladies, if he doesn't walk on the outside of the street, he doesn't respect you. He thinks you're a prostitute.
And if you knew better, you would do better. Like, what, nigga?
Let me ask you something. Can a steak cook itself?
Uh-huh.
Think about it. That's the whole chapter.
Like, what?
Mad empty white space on the bottom of the page after.
Like, yo, take notes here. Like, yo, get the fuck out of here.
The next page says page intentionally left blank.
I don't know if I want relationship advice from a nigga who's been divorced 18,000 times.
Here's the thing. You can't get a relationship advice from other people.
Damn.
Your relationship is your relationship.
Yeah.
You know.
I don't even be giving niggas advice. I'd be like, yo, this is what I do.
You can
know
give
what I'm saying?
people like suggestions.
Yeah.
But listen, relationships are like a Mario Kart course.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta ride it. You got 4 tries around it, I guess.
Yeah.
The first time you know what the fuck you're doing. By the second time, you gotta fix it out.
Yeah,
you know
come
what I'm
on, man. You using a red shell and shit. You jumping over niggas and shit, throwing banana peels.
This going in the book as well.
Shit, you know what I mean?
Don't let new pussy be your blue shell.
That shit will find you and take you out the game, brother.
Forward by Ice-T.
Yo, the music is negative because the streets are negative. Remember that intro?
Here you go.
They did for fucking Mobb Deep. Shut down. Shut the Ice-T. Raped her.
Wow. See? Now you're spilling liquid. Spilling that delicious Red Bull.
I low-key want to lick it off the table.
Go ahead. There's no cameras here. Go ahead. Yeah. Oh, nasty.
So nasty.
Oh, man.
Shout the mix pack for no reason. I see the
Every time you see
Slipknot.
that, you mention that.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Shout to them. Squad.
Just like a really licked. It looked like he was licking menstruation off the table.
Oh.
I'm disgusted and
I
turned
do it.
on a little.
I'm nasty.
I'm like, yo.
I'm a nasty nigga.
Nasty.
Look me in my eyes. Tell me to your face that you ready to die. What?
Nasty Mero.
That's right. I'm a nasty nigga. I lead a girl butt after she do doo-doo.
Don't mean a thing. Oh, you nasty Mero.
Yeah.
Don't mean a thing to me.
Oh, your period chunky? I still keep it funky. Yeah.
Sponsored by Bubble Clots.
You know what I'm saying?
We got purple stuff. We got Sunny D. Bumbleclots! Bumbleclots! Mama, pizza Bumbleclots! Sweet! Bumbleclots, it's what's for dinner.
That's our new Bubble Clot flavor. Chunky flow.
Chunky flow. Ah!
What, you beef bits?
Ah! It's just like fucking beet juice with raw beef in it. Beef tartare.
No, I didn't say beet. I said beef. Mommy, I gotta straighten this with my teeth. Bumble clots in the morning, bumble clots in the evening, bumble clots, they are the reason. The wild kid comes home in the Jamaican uniform with a latchkey, like,
yo,
Mama, you home? Mama? And there's a fridge. No, on the fridge?
no,
It's like, bumble clots. Exclamation point.
yo. Oh man, pizza heads up a time.
We're gonna actually make bumble clots and do like a pop-up store and sell them.
With
And none of the bodega hive is gonna get it. Like people are just ironically gonna buy them. So, you know, we're just on a natural journey.
yeah, we are just trying to do the right thing. You know,
Just trying to grow our hair out.
just live life. I can't wait till the stem cell shit happens. I'm gonna do mad stupid like baseball player hairstyles.
What you gonna have? Like what baseball player are you thinking?
Like fucking some wild mohawk with like mad shit shaved into the side of my head. Some stupid shit like that. I might do locks, you know what I'm saying? Might do cornrows on some throwback shit. Remember what the braids that Exhibit first came out with where they was like to the side type joints?
Yes.
Might do that. Might just fuck around and get the mystical extensions.
Shake ass.
Yo, watch yourself. Yo, that nigga went to jail again, bro. He's actually a fucking nut. Like he got
Another rape charge.
caught another rape charge. I was like, nah, you a rapist, my nigga. Like if you catch one charge and it's like it's dicey, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Nah, my nigga. Nah, my nigga.
I mean, if you even read the terms from the first one, you was like,
you'd be like,
yo, like
yeah.
fam, you committed that shit.
Yeah, like go, my man. Listen,
That's wild. That's why it just always sucks when like artists do some wild shit like that and then you can't enjoy the music anymore.
yeah, nah, cause you gotta disavow them and shit. You can't rock with niggas. You can't rock. I can't rock with R. Kelly no more. Step in the Name of Love comes on shuffle and I just gotta skip it. Like just because.
I have a song. It's a Migos song with R. Kelly.
Come on.
Shit, fire.
Can't
enjoy it.
I can't.
Can't enjoy it.
Even the old joints that I'm like, yo, move your body like a
The thing
snake.
with
I'm
it
just
is like,
no.
you have good memories and shit, but yo, he's such trash, dog.
Yeah,
Like,
bro. I feel like that's what really gets people is that there's memories. There's always a memory tied to music. You know what I'm saying?
because you probably wasn't as woke.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But then,
was it a matter of being woke, or did you not know about these things,
I mean,
or like a mix of the two?
I think it's a mix of the two, but then like also the fact that like you might have been at a party with a girl that you really fuck with and you was having a good time and it's like one of the best nights of your life and you were listening to that song. So now when you listen to that song, it takes you back to that memory or whatever. So you like the song, but then you're like, yo, but this nigga's wild problematic. Like, and that's what I feel like people get tripped up. Like, yo, I don't know. You got to separate the man from the art. Nah, you don't. Not if they're just like a wild scumbag.
That's what they're trying to do with what's this guy? XXXTentacion?
The extension.
Nah, get him out the paint early.
Your man's a wing dick.
Get him out the paint
Yeah,
early.
you gotta
'cause
get
he
out of
think- and then like he makes the videos like, listen, fam, like
You're doing too much.
he got
You
like
gotta
a
stop.
Timberland boot tattoo in his forehead down. Like, relax, my guy. What do you?
That's because he got stomped out 100 times.
Hey, hey. I don't know. We're getting to that age where we got to just look at it and shake our head like,
It's fucking young
you
whippersnappers.
youngins, y'all gonna hurt
How old is
yourself.
that kid? Isn't he like 20 something though?
Yeah.
Because I know Lil Pump. I forgive Lil Pump because he's literally a teenager. But this dude is like 20 something, I think.
You said 27?
20 something. In his or maybe early
19.
20s. 19? Oh, okay.
19.
All right. You got one more year, you fucking jerk.
Because I look at it and I'm like, in theory, could he be? Wait, let me do some math right here. No. Oh. Yeah, if I had made some very poor life choices, he could possibly be my son.
Woof. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just really like that's why I put my kids in like fucking robotics classes and basketball camp and shit, so they don't fucking go and dye their hair blonde and start hanging white kids in effigy or some shit like that. So,
Also, I shouldn't be fucking at 12, but
yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
But
definitely not fucking.
I don't know. Like they said, his album was good. I'm not
It
even
don't
gonna do
matter.
it.
It don't really
I don't
matter.
wanna do it, 'cause
There's
this
plenty
is
of
like-
other good music out there. I don't need to go get this shit. There's great music out right now. You know what I'm
Shonda
saying?
Rhimes just dropped the Great Spoken Word album.
You know what I'm saying? It's about to be super lit. You know what I'm saying?
I just made that up.
You did,
I
but
did.
I respect it. You said it with your chest.
I did.
You know what I mean? Shout out to Shonda Rhimes. Yo, put a song, Shonda Rhimes, yo. You know what I'm saying?
What, you gonna be on Scandal and shit?
Grey's Anatomy, Scandal, all of that. Imagine us in Grey's Anatomy, bro. Like being mad dramatic and like looking into women's eyes. Like, yo,
I'm sorry, Jesse Williams. I've never seen Grey's Anatomy.
you never seen Grey's Anatomy? There's mad emotional moments. You know what I'm saying? Where you smash in a locker room.
I don't like most broadcast TV because the shit is kind of whack.
I mean, like, you know what it is?
I like that edge to be pushed. I need cursing. I need to see some titties.
Yeah. No, for real. Me too. To me, it was like my rule was like I need gunplay or titties or like it's a dub. Like I'm not watching this at all. But then I was like, yo, once you start doing TV, you start watching shit for certain things, and you kind of want to nitpick shit and be like, oh, nah, that was a bad cut, or like, yo, he could have said that line better or whatever like that. I'm an asshole. You know what I'm saying? So I watch broadcast TV to be an asshole, and occasionally I enjoy it. Dick Wolf is a fucking gajillionaire off of the strength of broadcast TV. And why don't you give us a couple gajillions?
No, stop it. Everyone, let's stop doing this lie about New York Undercover. I'm tired of it. Like, it's not happening.
Nah, Dick Wolf, honestly, we would not get really paid for that. To keep it funky. You know what I'm saying? And it's doing a show like that is a grind. You know what I'm saying?
Is it?
I mean, it's for what it is. You know what I'm saying?
What's your definition of a grind now?
Now?
Yeah.
It's like, now a grind is like, yo, it's like a wild full day of shooting and you're like on your feet the whole day. In like hot weather. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's like a festival or some shit and you're walking around and talking to people, interviewing, that's a kind of a grind. But like if you put me in a studio with air conditioning, nigga, I'll stay there for 28,000 hours, nigga. It's not a grind. A grind is a fucking 11-year-old kid being like, yo, my uncle's gonna come and shoot you in your fucking face, pussy. You know what I'm saying? That's a grind. This shit is light work.
It's a grind.
It's a grind.
I mean, you know, you gotta stay humble. You gotta remember
where you came from. Remember your roots.
Remember when you was popped, what the real grind was.
Yeah. It's funny because the other day I was like, oh, $200, whatever, no big deal. I remember when $200 would have meant the world to me, my nigga. I had a credit card with a $200 limit. You know what I'm saying? That's a pop boy.
You must never forget that.
You know what I'm saying?
You must always remember.
I still got that card though to remind me. It's like, you know when the bodega nigga tapes his first dollar bill? I tape that shit onto my fucking dresser, like nigga, like never forget. You was pop, nigga.
Was pop to boom pop. Went from being pop to eating boom chicka pop. Pop. The new sponsor. So no, they're not sponsor. You didn't cut the check the fuck out of here.
Sea Salt popcorn.
Listen, they don't skimp around. Listen, Red Bulls with the shits. They don't skimp around with the snacks.
Okay.
Sometimes you go some other places. They got off-brand snacks. No, Red Bull. They give you what you want. If you ask for Utz or Homeboy chips, they can possibly do it. Hook it up.
Okay. Out here.
And give you a big basket of Rap Snaps.
Rap Snaps?
Rap Snaps.
Fabulous got Rap Snaps now.
Give me the fucking, what's his name? What was the little Masterpiece son's name?
Lil Romeo?
Yeah, he had a bunch of Rap Snacks.
He had a bunch of Rap Snacks?
He had one.
Okay. Shout out to him. Shout out to salt and vinegar chips.
Just gonna eat them on the mic, huh? Just gonna let the Chris. Or are you doing one of those? Are you doing the video like that black lady? Just she does it. Here, pass me those chips. Let me show you guys how to. What do they call that? It's called ASMR, eating noises. Yes, and she's like. It's Bodega Boys and
oh, she eats like a pickle,
yeah.
like potato. Yeah.
She's like, I'm here with Mero, and
How you doing? We're gonna eat a deep river snacks, salt and vinegar potato chip.
It's a crunchy fried potato.
Are you ready? Let's go. You know what's freaking me out about this? Somebody might jerk off to this.
Why are you looking at me? What I do in my own time is my own business. You hear it? You hear that crunching noise?
Oh yeah.
Those videos creep me out. But then I'm just like, well, if somebody gets enjoyment out of that and they're not hurting kids, hey, who am I to judge?
No.
We're all riding on horses.
Jerking off is mad safe. Unless you don't do it in public. Do it in your crib.
Jerking off is not that safe because you do it too much, you can start chafing the top of your dick.
You are. That sucks.
Then you got to put like chapstick on top of your dick.
You fuck around and put the wrong one. It's like the medicated bliss stick. Shit stings OD.
It stings, but it's in a good way. Like a kiss from a rose from Seal.
My man was knocking the Heidi Klum for mad long.
Shout out to Heidi Klum. She didn't care about that shit on his face.
Nah.
She was
My
just
son looked like he got whacked in the face with a meat tenderizer, and she did not care at all.
She was like, I love you.
Yeah.
I love you, you ugly motherfucker.
My son must have had the king.
Nah, he was cool. That was like African scarring and shit. I knew a guy that had that as well.
Wasn't he from? He's British though, right? No.
No, he was from. Come on, yeah, that's not like. Damn, when you put in Seal, he comes up, not the fucking animal. My nigga.
Oh, where he comes up before the actual animal seal?
Oh, he was born in London, in Paddington.
Hey,
Look at me and my racist ass. Yeah, he's Nigerian though. Okay, let's keep it funky. I'm not even gonna. He got like 9 names. He comes up before. I wonder. You know what? Everyone Google Seal and see if Seal comes up before the animal because I think Google has like black settings set from my shit. So black shit comes up faster on my Google. Like they've every possible search they've already put in their.
What is the blackest possible answer
for this? Yeah.
You type in like Eric B. and like a white dude gets like Eric B. Schneiderman councilman. You like Eric B. for president.
Racist guru. I type in black, they're like, and mild? I'm like, no. I was getting a hexadecimal code for web publishing. Why?
You're like, Newport? Like, no, nigga, New York. Fucking New York. Trying to fucking get back home.
Oh, shit. I'm going for like Google Maps directions. They're like, do you want to travel by hoverboard or do you just want to ride the pegs on someone's BMX? I'm like, what the fuck? What? I'm right next to one of my white friends. I'm like, do you got these options?
No, we have Uber X, Lyft, Juno. I'd get on mine.
Uber has a whole section of places we don't go. Your car that don't go where you going will be here in 5 minutes. God just pulls up like, we don't go there.
Sorry.
You get the thing like,
call another one.
How would you rate terror? We don't go there experience. I was like, that shit was whack, my nigga. I'm still standing here. Why would I try? Why did he drive here? I waited 6 minutes for this shit.
Come on.
Uber got
that actually happened to me the other day. Homie was like, yo, but I don't use Uber that much, but
I'm an Uber whore. Ask me.
Yeah. Don't they know where you're going?
No.
Before you get in the car, they have no idea where you're going?
Nope. Until you get into the car, they have no idea. Because otherwise, they wouldn't pick you up. Then they're just a taxi, and they could dub you.
Oh,
but
so
the thing
Uber
is,
does that on purpose so they can't dub you.
It's supposed to balance you out. And that way, like if once you get in the car and you tell them they're going somewhere, what's something to do beforehand, they call you and be like, where you going? Which they're not allowed to do. If they do that, you have to report them.
Okay.
Sorry, Uber, fair. But every now and then, you get in there and the person is just like, oh, then when they see where you're going, you can see like if they was about to get off their shift and you're about to drive OD far, you just see their shoulders go like, But you know what? If you don't want to drive, don't be an Uber driver. What the fuck?
Come on,
you know
man.
what I'm saying? If you don't like baseball, don't be a baseball player.
Fam, I don't look, I've been driving a decent amount of time. Why do you niggas get so mad about driving, bro? If you have a decent car, you're sitting on a couch that's on wheels, man, and it has air conditioning and music, my nigga. What are you so mad about?
But sometimes you just want to get home. Sometimes, you know, I get it because the other day I took a Uber from Flatbush to the Bronx, and it was like late at night, and the fucking driver, he was like, yo, I live like 10 blocks away from where I picked you up at. And he was like, I was about to go home, and I said, let me take one last drive. And he was and I was like, nigga, I'm gonna pay you, relax, nigga.
Like, you can't pay, dog.
I'm pay you, nigga.
Uber be fucking...
Listen, that's the new economy. We're not our parents. No longer do you have to own a car. We're coming out with a new thing. I've invented a thing. Instead of paying rent and having to sign a lease, it's an app. And you just like get an apartment for the night. It's called Hotel.
Nice.
I'm disrupting the housing industry. You know what I'm saying? Imagine that. Imagine houses in New York was like City Bike.
You just pull up.
Like you just go to the app and it just tells you what apartment is available for the night and that's where you live. Be like, I gotta go. I'm in Gramercy tonight.
Pre-furnished.
Let's go.
Or some Taz Angel shit where you go there, it's an air mattress.
Okay, now
there's like different tiers. It's like, yo, it's bronze, silver, gold package.
What kind of apartment would you like? Would you like the back page edition? Shit comes with a fucking Chinese folding wall.
It's a fucking twin bed sheet as a curtain.
Walk in the room, this is some mad petroleum jelly and condoms, which you should not mix the two, but hey, fuck it.
Hey, listen, petroleum jelly seriously damages the integrity of a condom.
Thank you, Attorney General Mero from 1989.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So if you're trying to not to get shorty pregatone and you're trying to use the Lubington, nigga, use fucking your spit.
You shouldn't listen unless you're in jail. There's no reason to be using Vaseline as a
lubricant.
lube.
Yeah,
No,
that's
don't do
wild.
that.
Like, come on, that shit is for your fucking like elbows and your lips, nigga. Like,
No,
what?
it's not. It's not. No. What's wrong with you Dominicans? That's not what you use Vaseline for,
You don't
nigga.
put Vaseline on your elbows?
No.
Why? What do you put Vaseline on?
You put like hydration lotion and shit. Like Vaseline on your lotions.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's why all the buses in Dykeman and shit be mad slippery and shit. Y'all on my hill. Y'all gotta be more careful with that shit. The only good use for shout out to all my New Yorkers who know, all my women out there, you know, the only real good use for Vaseline is putting it on your face so when you fight that bitch Keisha, she don't scratch you up.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
You know, pull your hair back, take your earrings out, come through in your 5411s,
You know what I'm saying?
and fight her in section 2 over
If
my
you,
cappies.
know what I'm saying? If you about to change your nails anyway, just pop them shits right the fuck off. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. I'm about to fuck this bitch up. Stupid.
Shout out to all my chicks that went to New York City high schools and now you are a grown woman and you have kids. But every now and then at work or maybe on the bus or the train, you be like, you know what? Yo, I'm about to take it back to high school. This bitch about to get the hands.
Yo, I swear to God, yo, if this bitch look at me one more time, yo, I'm gonna give her the fucking hands, yo.
What's up? You keep dropping shit today, man. You all right?
Yeah, no.
This nigga, you got the deets?
I got fucking back coordination. Yo, no.
I mean,
Oh.
everything all right over there? Or you
Yeah.
oh shit, the disrespectful.
Shout out to Cece.
CC, whom?
Sabathia?
Oh, see, I just wanted to make everyone clear. Yeah, fam, I got a sneaker problem. I got
Hero
several
09.
sneakers.
Is that couch thing? Is that what you're buying?
No, I'm buying.
Is that couch fake? That shit looks mad fake.
No, it's real.
It's real?
It's real.
It's very poorly designed.
Nike, if you're listening, I need that couch. Send
Yo,
it
can
to
y'all
me.
do something with the letters? It bugs me out. It doesn't look like the show.
It looks fine. What's wrong with you? You're the only person that has a problem with this couch.
I mean, I'm very
You're not even
Kanye
a
with my furniture
sneakerhead.
aesthetics.
You're not a sneakerhead.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, but I appreciate design. I'm an aesthetics guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really feeling aesthetics of that. I would have copped it if you guys would have modeled it a little bit more like the shoe. I'm just giving constructive criticism. I love you guys. You know what I'm saying? You come with great products, and I just want to help. You know?
You're not helping.
You know what I'm saying?
You're not helping. I wish.
Make it
Are
into-
you gonna start designing stuff?
Make
like
it,
Kanye?
yeah, hell yeah. Well, just wait.
What are you gonna design?
Just everything,
He's gonna
bro.
design a fucking
Everything, fucking.
He gonna design a new plantain.
Yo, a new plátano, bro. Fucking throw rugs, nigga, lamps, fucking underwear, everything in the fucking world. I can't wait. Oh, don't let niggas give me a fucking design studio. It's over. It is fucking over. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, man. Niggas will be like, stick to comedy, you fucking asshole. I'll be like, fuck you, you don't understand the vision.
It's gonna be me. I'll be like, stick to comedy, you asshole. I tried to do this podcast, this nigga laying on the floor designing blouses and shit.
But you don't understand the vision, nigga. It's like a blouse with 4 sleeves and shit. Like, yo, you don't understand.
Fuck a blouse with nipple holes. I'm like, who's wearing this, Mero?
Rihanna, nigga. You see
Yo.
Rihanna at the Grammys and shit with the Mero blouse with 4
like,
sleeves and nipples cut out?
I'm just sitting there tight. You look at me like, how you feel? I'm like, whatever.
Whatever, nigga.
It's just the key fucking Satario left.
Oh my god, yo, can't stand this. But
I look over my date has it on too. I'm like, really?
yo, for real?
You gonna really disrespect with the
Come
Mero
on,
blouse?
come on.
You gonna come through with the Meros?
Come on.
The mouse? The mirror house?
Yo.
Breaking news, taking over, like, they can't keep it in stock and shit. Black China's wearing it. Fashion Nova makes a knockoff.
A knockoff with 3 sleeves and only 1 nipple cut out?
But then the shit is mad tight and sexy. It's inappropriate to wear anywhere. We made the special one for the Jews that hangs low. You can wear it to Rosh Hashanah.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be too sexy.
You know what I'm saying? Keep it down out there. Keep it
I want to design hotels.
Hotels?
I want to design hotels, but it makes you feel like you're in a third world country.
Lit.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No door. No door. We have this ghost running back and forth.
Mosquito
in the hallway.
net over your bed. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, periodically we release scorpions into the rooms just to keep y'all niggas humble. Just saying no.
Strictly outhouses.
No electricity. Like we give you like a little cup of kerosene for the night. Like don't listen. Don't OD, my nigga.
Enjoy that.
Don't listen.
Pace yourself.
You need light? Oh, check-in's at 6, and that's when the sun start going down. So you better hop up the steps.
You see, help me pull out his little fucking Mophie battery shit and connect to his phone. It's like, that's okay. I got a flashlight. You just snatch that shit. Like, nah,
No,
nigga.
it's reality.
Kerosene, nigga. Make it happen.
Niggas charging their phone by kerosene. Yeah.
Yo, Samsung got the kerosene charging capabilities and shit. Homies with the iPhone, like, yo, what happened? What happened yet? My next one's gonna have it though.
Y'all checking in the window. You're like, where's the heat? I'm like, I gave you the kerosene. What the fuck? Oh, and some blankets. Blankets is wild heavy. Got pillows that fill the jeans and shit.
Here. Fucking cornballs.
Yeah.
Enjoy life.
Niggas be like, why would you stay here? It's like, it feels real.
It's authentic.
It's my white liberal guilt.
Yeah. So I'm gonna suffer just how their ancestors suffer.
It makes it feel better. It helps me feel better. So. Oh man. So I guess that's all we got.
Camping.
You know, we're done with the podcast. I'm retiring from the show. No, I'm just gonna be. My whole goal in life growing up was I just wanted to understand how people could sit in Starbucks all day and just type on a MacBook. Like I did not understand how that was possible. I think I've reached that. So I'm good. I don't go any further than this. I'm good. I'm in that good level of fame. I can ride the train. I'm like stupid rich by Bronx standards because I have like maybe $15,000 to my name. So, you know what I'm saying? I could buy the Bronx, low key.
I mean, you could definitely at least put a down payment on it.
Listen, let me tell you something. You want to know how good my life is? When I go to the train, I don't even got to worry how much money's on my Metro card.
I don't even either.
I just walk up and I swipe. And a lot of times it's like, hey, there's no money on this card. Step to the side.
I'm like, damn.
And so it was like, hey, asshole, move.
Yeah, come on, people trying to get through,
don't
my
you know
nigga.
how much money's on your Metro card?
My nigga, you supposed to know what your status is, nigga, before you step to this shit. The fuck, my nigga?
You walked up with a lot of authority, and now you walk up like you know you got money on it. It's like,
nigga. The worst is, I don't know if it's a height thing. As soon as I swipe and it don't go through, and it says insufficient fare, and I'm just gliding through. This shit hits me right in my dick, like pow, nigga, slip the fuck back.
It's meant to do that.
Fuck back, nigga.
Which is worse is swipe again, but then you get 2 swipes again, and it says swipe again at this turnstile, and you locked in.
You locked in.
Now you're in a relationship with that turnstile. You got to swiping with
homie
it.
behind you is like sighing and shit. You're like, my man, you see the fucking display.
New Yorkers are great for that because they see you stressed and shit, and instead of being like, yo, I'm gonna be paid, they're like,
damn, looks like I'm gonna be late to work again, man.
Let me call my
bullshit.
Because then you got like 3 turnstiles. You could go to this one, but then like you already got that constant stream of traffic. You already dedicated yourself to the middle turnstile, and there's one on the other one. You don't know what the fuck is going on.
And
there.
it's flowing.
It's flowing.
There's not even an opening for you. It's like when you're in traffic, you're trying to get over, and you can't. You're like, nah, I just got to stick it out here in this lane. Fuck it.
Also, shout out to New Yorkers who walk with their chest and feel that if you're exiting the train, you can go through the turnstile before people can enter the turnstile.
Oh, yeah.
Like, you just look at niggas like, yo, I'm done here.
I'm done, nigga. I'm getting off.
Nigga walking out like a hotel room in a gangbang, like, I'm out of here. I busted my nut.
This shit.
You walking in, I don't give a fuck. You're like, yo, nigga, like,
no, please.
Shout out to New York. More people should have their face slashes in the city.
I think
a lot of people are very calm.
Yeah.
If you think about like the whole experience of riding the train, like it's terrible.
Yeah, it is.
They should make a prison, which is just a train that prisoners ride around on constantly, and we just don't see them.
Can they get off?
No stops.
They're just rocking on the train all day.
What was that? Wasn't there a movie about that, like a train that's just constantly running?
A Snowpiercer?
Yeah.
Where it was like, yo, society has been relegated to one train that just keeps going forever. And it's like the rich nigga part of the train and like the broke nigga part of the train. Yeah, and it was like a whole rebellion. Was that Jude Law?
I don't know. We should have asked him last night because he's in our anime.
Neo Yokio.
Oh, West Side Gentleman Gang.
You know what I'm saying? AKA the Caprese Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
Fucking, we out here and it's out now.
Yes.
September 22nd. It was out yesterday at 3 a.m.
Why are we plugging it?
Because we're in it.
Oh, that's right.
We're super popular.
That's right. I forgot there's things we do that we don't have to get money for.
You know what I'm saying? And we're super popular, and that just opens up a whole other avenue. Now the anime people are gonna be like, "Oh my god, I love their voice work."
Listen, we got so much shit on deck. I got the Pinot on deck.
Yeah,
you gonna see me?
You know what I'm saying?
No voice work, straight dick work. You gonna see me in blacked. She's gonna be lit.
Niggas said I'm blacked.
She's gonna be like, it's gonna be an episode. She's gonna be like, "Where's the merch?" I'm like, "Oh, I got merch for you."
Shout out to Blacked because in a lot of those scenes, like obviously like this white shorty black dude. White Shorty's makeup comes off all over homie's face. So like when you see homie smashing from the back and then they pan up to his face and your man looks like a fucking the dead president's mask on and shit.
Oh man. Oh shit. Shout out to Janice Griffith. She was in town. We smoked one down in Viceland. You know what it is. She reading books and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
People are like, how could she read? She's a porn star. It's like she has real life.
She's a real person. Like
she's a real person. Respect people's agency.
Respect it.
Respect it. Shout out to everyone that's gonna go as Pocahontas this year as a problematic Halloween.
Why problematic?
No, don't do that. Go as us.
Yeah.
Find a best friend.
Do not do blackface.
Nah, do blackface. Fuck that. Make it uncomfortable for people. Show up at the party with blackface.
Is it woke blackface if they do us? Since we're like, you know, kind of woke shit.
What if you wear blackface but you read out the names of people murdered by the police?
Oh yeah, or you just walk around with a little sandwich board with all the names on it. Yeah.
Damn. I don't do that because then I don't see you, and if I'm drunk, I don't know to hit you or hug you.
You can't hug a nigga in sandwich boards. You gotta duff him.
They said sandwich board.
Like the shit from Die Hard. Remember that shit?
I know you said that, but in my head, 'cause I'm kind of hungry right now. I'm thinking about a nigga like walking with like 2 loads of food.
2 big ass sandwiches.
Remember when Bugs Bunny got like stranded on the island and niggas was looking at each other like fucking hot dogs and shit? Oh yeah.
Yo, now that you say that, Morgan Freeman's face really did look like a delicious cinnamon bagel. Man.
He does.
Damn.
Just throw a little butter on there.
Like fresh out the toaster, like mad soft.
With the butter just melts on it?
Yeah. As soon as it touches, it's like absorbs. Oh my God.
I mean, listen. Well, I feel like I'm going to be the next Morgan Freeman.
Yeah, you can do it.
I flip-flop a lot of my views. I have a lot of gravitas. I have a lot of gravitas in my voice.
Gravitas.
And I'm 5 years away from a hoop earring. So,
yo, make it happen, bro. I mean, that's not even. I wasn't saying lofty goals. That's not a lofty goal.
I'm bringing back.
I think you can do it in a year and a half.
I'm bringing back bootcut jeans next season.
Do it.
So let's go.
You know what I'm saying?
Will you see Desus? It's a fucking Durango boots with bootcut jeans.
Yes.
Well, yo, I'm gonna have jeans.
Bring Durangos back.
I'm gonna wear jeans that have no pockets in the back. I'm gonna wear the mulatto girl jeans.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Y'all not ready for that?
Jeggings, but like wide legs?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We out here.
Like I'm always dancing to finally it happened to me. Like, listen. Go see me. Like, yo, Jesus got the yeeks. I'm like, you know, that's right.
Yeah, finally.
I'm gonna dress like Rachel True from Half and Half. And I'll have like the big fucking blossom hat with the big flower in the front. Yeah. Yeah. We're pushing the paradigm.
Yo, that's what we should start doing. Just like 90s sitcoms characters. I'm coming through like Joey from fucking Blossom. Whoa. Coming through with the wild cutoff flannel and shit with this jean jacket tied around my waist.
With the abs showing. Strike it up. Listen, get all your fashion style from 90s characters.
Word up.
All right? When I come through, I'm gonna come through looking like Alf in a Coogee.
You know what I'm saying? The nigga said Alf in a Coogee. Low key, if somebody came through just like Joey Lawrence, fam, I think people would be like, oh my God, what an amazing outfit. Like if you came through Fashion Week dressed like that, people's gonna be like, yo, who's style you? I'd be like, me.
Oh, Joey Lawrence, not new.
Yeah, not new. Nah, new Joey Lawrence is like probably at the RNC and shit wearing fucking hoodies and shit.
He got some looks here.
You know what I mean?
He got some. Oh, look at this fake Dipset shirt with the flag. Yeah,
shit.
Oh, shit.
With the ripped jeans?
Yeah. Oh, you know it.
Oh, you already know.
Joey Lawrence. What do you think his net worth is?
Right now, 2017?
2017.
15 million.
15 million?
Yeah.
The suspense. Google knows I'm being messy.
Yeah.
Wow. 6 million.
So,
Is that not... That doesn't sound like a lot.
Yeah, I mean, it's a
lot, but...
I mean, to us, it's a lot, but it's like, fam, you're whoa. You know what I'm saying? You didn't save that whoa money, nigga.
That's whoa. Your man's not whoa. Your bank's not whoa. Nigga over the counter and be like, whoa. We all laughing at someone with $6 million.
Yo, come on.
Nigga, you can get us both killed for $2,000, but...
Oh my God, nigga, I got 6 million fucking bills at the crib.
He said, damn, $6 million is,
You could lose 6 mil fast, though. You could lose 6 mil fast, bro. A couple of stupid investments.
You see me in Vegas. You see me. Listen, don't ever let me get money. Don't ever let. Oh man.
You know what I mean?
Imagine you just blow 6 mil and you just on that plane going home like, fuck it.
Oh, I mean,
You blow $6 million in Vegas, you gotta take like an economy flight home. Like I'm saving money.
Yeah, come on. Are you crazy? I mean, unless you want to really go out and be like, yo, I'm broke. I'm gonna be broke for a minute. Fuck it. Might as well just spend this last 2 G's in first class.
If you can spend $6 million in Vegas and lose it, you got more than $6 million.
Oh yeah.
How much money would you have to have comfortable in the bank for you to feel comfortable
Losing $6 million?
Yeah,
100 million.
Oh wow, that's actually not that much.
Yeah.
Fam, we don't know money anymore.
Yeah.
So we talk about $6 million is not enough.
Every time you say
100 million is not that much.
Every time you say million, like my brain doesn't have that software yet, so like
You
it
hear
says
like
1,000.
Yeah. Okay, I thought we in the same place. We in the same place. We found love in a broke ass place.
You know what I'm saying? Because you say 6 million, I'm like, oh damn, this guy got 6 racks.
Oh, like 6,000. That ain't shit, nigga. This fucking broke boy. Nigga's like 100. She's like 100 million. I was like 100,000.
I'm still running.
I was like 100,000. That's a good government job.
Oh shit. I'm still running broke
You might
boy
think you got
iOS over
insurance.
here.
You have upgraded?
I'm scared, nigga. I got the old some fucking hardware.
You got uncompatible apps. It's like Slice Your Face app will not upgrade. Oh shit. No, like I don't. How do you have millions? Millions
on deck.
On decky. Like you can't say shit like on decky and have millions.
Nah.
If I go to the bank and I'm like, yo, you got my millions on decky, the cop that's at the front door is gonna step closer with his hand on his gun, like
on what?
Who?
On who? Who's that?
Hold on.
Hideki Matsui's been here twice this week.
Okay, we got a 27 rings. We got a 27 rings. He's referencing the MVP champion Hideki Matsui, 09. You know what it is, 27 rings. So my dick from the back. Let's go. Yeah, let's pull up.
Yo.
Shout out to Hideki Matsui, one of the great Asian sports players, which Asian sports players are wonderful because they allow New Yorkers to be what? Racist! Yeah. They call him Godzilla,
all types of shit. But he didn't give a fuck. He was like, yo, skip my money, nigga.
Killed Philly in 09. That was only like...
Beautiful.
That was only... How many years ago was that?
Less than 10.
No, that was a minute ago.
09?
That's only 8 years ago?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not bad. Because somebody, I'm trying to even say your name, nigga. Boston people always want to argue with me about fucking sports on the internet. I'm like, bro, I'm from the Bronx. I will not support any Boston sports teams. Like, stop, get out of here.
27 rings, bro.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't care what you say. There's been moments in time where we broke your heart. Y'all broke our hearts one time in 04.
One time.
You know what I'm saying? We broke your heart twice, nigga. Eli and God did it twice. Broke your heart. You thought you had it. You didn't. Took your cookie, stupid. So eat that. Cherish that.
How you feel?
Fucking dicks. And A-Rod slapping the ball should have been a clean play, and I would have never won. You know what I'm saying?
True. It's true. But, you know what I'm saying?
They should have let that go.
Let the bygones be bygones. Listen, our Yankees looking really good.
Really good.
Coming into the playoffs strong.
You know what I'm saying? We only 3 games back at Boston, right?
We never did that. Dude, listen, we can take the wild card. It's all about getting in the playoffs.
That's it.
Getting in the playoffs is like getting in her phone. Once you're in the phone, you're in the winner, baby.
Let me tell you something. I'm making a Mero Dimes prediction. When the Yankees make it to the playoffs, every single game is gonna... I don't care if the over is like 4.5, 5.5. Take it, B. Take it.
Mero the Greek is back.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
Take it. They're giving you 7, 8 runs a game. I'm telling you, bro. Ain't gonna be no fucking pitcher's duel in these ones. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is getting smoked.
I don't agree, but hey.
All the way to the World Series.
I don't agree, but you know what I'm saying. I've watched enough Yankee games that now I am one of those... Being a baseball fan, when you're like in your 20s, you're like, oh, passionate and shit.
Yeah.
Baseball is a long process. It has the ebbs and flows.
Yep.
Got your hot streaks, your bad streaks. Yeah. Just relax, baby.
Yo, remember, just a random Yankee memory. Derek Jeter's final at bat. You know what I'm saying? With Orioles, you know what I'm saying? Tie game, bottom of the ninth. 1 out. Oh, no, 2 outs. Derek Jeter. Walk-off single.
Yes.
To end the game.
Yes, when the pitcher
History.
When the pitcher grooved the ball to him. Like Derek Jeter's final pitch and his 300th pitch was like, or 3,000th pitch, the pitchers grooved the ball to him because they're like, I'm not gonna show up Derek Jeter.
Yeah.
Shout out to David Price, you know what I mean? Listen, I respect that as a Yankee fan. It's all about the magic, baby. Baseball is not gonna exist much longer. NFL, everyone that watches baseball is dying, and like Puerto Ricans can't keep that shit going. And then the NFL, everyone has CTE. You saw Aaron, what's his name? Aaron Hernandez had the most CTE they've ever seen at 27.
27, and his shorty is suing now the Patriots and everybody because she was like, yo, y'all knew this and y'all didn't tell him that. So give me my fucking
Low
shmoney.
key. And people was like, that's why he was killing. Nah, he was killing shit before. That nigga just like killing. That shit had nothing to do with CT.
Yeah, he was they showed him gangbanging before. Like
it was gangbang
but
for real.
honestly, he's been playing football his whole life.
Yeah,
you
but
never know when that shit came on.
But he was like a gang. Like he grew up like gangbanging. Like that's the, you know what I'm saying. You know. We'll find out more when in Boston this weekend. We'll ask a question about Aaron Hernandez gets shot afterwards by Bobby Brown. I'll be like, Bobby, that's not your prerogative.
Bobby's from Boston. He's from Boston originally.
New Edition's from Boston, nigga.
Oh, word. Why did I think they were? I thought they were from fucking like
Atlanta or some shit.
Oh, nah, not
Jersey.
Even. Jersey. Who's from Jersey?
Naughty by Nature.
No. Where's Jodeci from?
Jodeci is from.
They're from Atlanta, no?
Yeah, probably.
No.
Yeah.
They look like Atlanta niggas.
Let me double check that before we get the wrath of Atlanta on here and shit.
Them niggas ain't ours.
They're not. They're from Charlotte, North Carolina. Sorry, Charlotte. Sorry. You know what? You guys got bigger. I was about to say you guys got to worry about white supremacists, but that was Charlottesville. I'm sorry. I'm from New York. I don't know nothing.
Yeah, we here by ourselves.
Listen, if your state don't got a Timberland outlet, I never heard of it.
Never.
Drop a bomb on that. Yo, if you out here driving in a 300 Charger,
You know what I'm saying?
pull it to the side. It's
You know what I
quiet
mean?
for that.
Pull it over, put the hazards on, and
Drop
just
a
walk
bomb
home.
on that right there, right
Fuck
there.
outta here.
Yo, ladies, listen. If you get your heavy flow more than 2 days, quiet for you, ma. Drop the bomb on that.
Drop the bomb on that. If you in the CLA, I'll see you later. Drop the bomb. You know what I'm saying? You niggas driving around, 5 niggas in the car, fish bowling. Get the fuck out of here.
Yo.
Drop a bomb and be clear, New York.
One time for all my 5th graders. If I see you in pink Heelys in front of Hot Tropic, it's quiet for you. Drop the bomb. Just making it very hot for a subset of like kids. Are like I like my Heelys. Do your kids have Heelys?
No, they do not. And thank God they think that Heelys are corny. Like Mero Jr. turned around to me in a playground. We was like shooting a basketball and shit, and he was like, a kid slid across the basketball court in Heelys, and he looked at me and he just gave me that look like, that shit is corny, man. I go like, what is that? I was just like, yeah, they're just lame shoes.
I'm coming out with a line of Heelys for side niggas, so you can slide out the house very fast. In case, like, oh shit, you man, so check out them had sparks on the back, like to see a naked nigga sliding on the street, like yo, I'll come back for my clothes tomorrow.
Yo, bitch, nigga dick just flapping in the wind. Yo, start getting mad cold and shit. Shit start drying up, like Ew.
Side nigga problems. Listen, if you a side nigga, you better know parkour.
You better, cause you about to dive off of fucking fire escapes and wild shit. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I need some fucking money, and I'm gonna fucking use Square Cash to get
Square
it.
Cash still doing
You know what I'm
Bodega
saying? That's right.
Dreams. That's right.
Square Cash, nigga, what's up?
We're funding the dreams.
Download the app, stupid. You need that.
Make sure to download the Square Cash app.
I'm saying?
Also, we're working to do something for Puerto Rico, Dominica, everyone that's
You know what I'm
affected. I guess Square Cash got money on deck.
You know what I mean? Puerto Rico,
Mexico,
Dominica,
as well, with the earthquake.
Dominican Republic, fucking Barbuda. You know what I'm saying? The whole fucking West Indies, man.
I feel
fucking
like
Mexico.
dead ass. We are working. We're gonna try to do a benefit concert. I'm so like me and I was talking to Victor.
Yeah.
Victor was like, "You're high." I was like, "Listen, we can do a benefit concert for because they did one for Hurricane Harvey, right?
Yeah.
Who's gonna do one for the Virgin Islands? Who's gonna do one for the Caribbean? Who's gonna do one for Mexico?
You know what I mean?
Who but us?
Us. We're gonna
So
do the shit at
Excelsior
fucking-
Cracker,
You know what I mean?
the Gleaner,
Goya. You know what I'm
everyone.
saying?
Oh Boya.
Codetel, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
Helados
saying?
Bon, you know what I'm saying?
Let's get together.
Let's do it. Brugal.
We stand at
Presidente.
we could rebuild the Caribbean and oh my god, the schools.
on,
We
dog.
did. Oh my god,
Come on.
This is
They
our
just bring
legacy.
mad like dance hall, them
What
bar
if
artists
this
and
is?
shit.
What if this is what we've been working for? All this just to rebuild. Our parents left the Caribbean just for us to come back and fix it.
Yeah.
Circle,
Full circle.
of life.
That's right.
I'm gonna hold my father up in there. He'd be like, "Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
This gear."
Yo, that'd be lit. Damn, a whole ass concert of like just like mad West Indian acts and shit.
Yes,
yeah,
bring out everyone, you know what I'm saying? Little everyone, little bachata, like bring that shit out. You get Popcorn and Jay Ballard, like come on, shit.
Oh shit! Oh yeah, we gotta make this happen.
Red Bull might top in on that. You know what I'm saying?
Holla at your boys.
After we get upstairs and we go in the vote, we keep all the money in the new flavors. I don't want to ruin anything, but cotton candy.
Oh, it's about to be fucking lit.
Oh my god, if they had cotton candy Red Bull, Like just the fucking just fucking people going to school. The truancy rate would be like 97%. It'd just be kids in New York just running around and healing mad fast. Like, yo, doing mad fast. And shit. Yo, come to school doing math real quick. Like, show the work. So I gotta go. Why? Because Rebel gives me win.
Just jump out the window.
As always, live from you from 220 West 18th Street.
That's right.
It's episode 81.
You know what I'm saying?
That's Patrick Hughes' number. If you double it times 3 and then divide by 2 and then add 4. Don't do the math on that. Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Yo Chipotle, aka Pakistan Family Terrier, aka Prince Pro Sling Day, Eli Lippy, Butchers Butcher Gully, Stubborn Dan Mike, know you bitch, Young J Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nandez Verano, Miguel Overgo, Santa 94, Miguel going off to Juve Boss, MC Local Complete, put it up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you, nigga.
Listen, we're gonna take a lift and the app crashed and I'm in the Uber. Please don't talk to me.
Please, bro. I'm trying to boycott this shit.
The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fun son.
Don't do it.
Damn, I should have done my 80s voice. Dear Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, happy new Jew year to you.
Hey, happy 5778. Mazel.
You think it's a new year? No, it's actually refurbished. I saved some money on it.
I hope you had a sweet
Jermaine
one.
Avocado too. Young Pa, the Gusto Mufasa, Young Chakuru, Rat the Kunari, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Loke, Vice King Makusaka, 3-4 Jones, Jesus, walking up. Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonos Able, dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240 Pico, like my Pinot Blurry. Yeah. DJ Will you're listening to Washed FM. Up next, we have Joe Snow coming up. Joe Snow. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn. The Bronx Dion, Ray Nephews, the Moreno, you cannot contain no. The Human Memory, Word to Ja, Young Aaron, the Racing Provocateur, Henry Bud, Quest, Nelson Bank Della, Sergio Can't See Me, Valerie Buffett, the Herman Werthers, melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck, Sound Decadent, Ricky Squab, Greg Popovich, more say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Mahatma Gandhi, Cucumber. It's big and put you under. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, No More Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckup, the Fashion Nova Casanova, William H. Cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Forget me, small change, give me. Whoa. Big money all the time. Why? Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm not a bargain. Mr. Shopping on the street, with bad breeds like I'm easy. Please believe me. The Black Asiatic gonna crack your back like an automatic crack back. Mr. Raw Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka a problematic bay. If your baby's crying, put some duct tape over his mouth. As we proceed to give you what you need. Bad boy, motherfucker.
5, motherfucker. You know what it is, boy. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Catch me in Sound Clash, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. James Sing Fat Dick. I'll ghost on you, shorty, and I will not leave evidence, a.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. I'm 23 G's. Oh, I mang. You know what I'm saying? Check the guest list again, you fucking worm. I'm on TV, nigga. If you don't let me in here, I'm gonna crash my fucking belly right into the front of this shit and kill 10 people. I kill a raccoon with my bare hands at the garbage can, nigga, because I am the motherfucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Ben Smack Biombo, a.k.a. Field Ass Tyson, a.k.a. Lionel Messi, MVP of La Mota, a.k.a. Tom Brady. Shorty got my balls kind of inflated. I'm facing suspension, but I'm really positive. A.k.a. the Dominican Dundada, a.k.a. Barlow Zantana, a.k.a. Dick in your bay, Matambo. You know, coming this pussy no more.
It's not yours.
No, it belongs to me now. A.k.a. Ben Boston, I will replace your cranial features with that of a Buick LaCrosse with a 2-week free title subscription. Now your penis has Bluetooth connectivity and lossless audio. You're welcome. A.k.a. Lightenell Dutchie. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I bet your broke ass ain't got 5. And what the fuck is this shit? You pulled up with a spliff. I don't smoke tobacco. You's a motherfucking asshole. That's the extended version for you niggas, you know what I'm saying? It's coming soon on the album. A.k.a. I'll open your motherfucking medicine cabinet, nigga. Please secure your benzos, because it is the Sandman. Sticks. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso. A.k.a. Baby Newport. A.k.a. Zanio Bedingfield. I ain't gotta get some sticks. I ain't gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Nino Brown. A.k.a. East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one your TV is sucking. Catch me at Freestyle Fest in Crotona Park this weekend. A.k.a. The Plantain Supernova. Over in the sky, one day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Hey, cut the fucking music off, mate. There's no real rock stars any fucking more, mate. I have to make my own tea for fucking, cause you fucking wankers download tunes for niche. I pull up from 50 at the Garden and swish it. You know who it is, boy. It's Barmelo's Anthony. For 3. Bang! If you see me at Target trying to fucking figure out how to put candy inside my wife's purse indiscriminately, don't violate. Respect my fucking agency and approach me like, what, nigga? A earth sign fucking mammal. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Hasan, tírame la pista. ¿Qué fue? Llegó la estrella del escenario, desacatado número 1 con una vaina ratata. Andamos en la calle burlao, un shout out para la patria. Aguanta que pronto toco el patio. Irma, José y María que me mamen el huevo enterito. Me quité, yeah. Shout out to the DK Hat State Ships is fire.
Yo. As always, you know what it is. Bodega Boys in the building. By the time you hear this, we actually are going to have done the live show at Boston.
That's right.
So this might be our last show. We might get lynched for too many 04 references.
That's right. And I plan to wear every single jersey on top of each other. I'm going to wear A-Rod, a Jeter, a fucking Don Mattingly, every jersey in the world on top of each other. And I'm going to just keep taking them off over the course of the show. I'm going to keep it funky. If someone doesn't call me the N-word, I'll be disappointed. That's true. Listen, treat me like Adam Jones, bitch. Anyway, yo, it's Bodega Boys, episode 81. Shout out to the sponsors. Yeah. We are out this bitch. Holla. Peace.